In the vast and intricate landscape of human biology, the immune system operates as the body's frontline defense, constantly patrolling for any sign of threat. Among its many vital roles, one of the most critical, and perhaps most fascinating, is its ability to detect and destroy cancerous cells. This process, known as immunosurveillance, is a cornerstone of our body's defense against the insidious spread of cancer. But as sophisticated as this system is, it's also remarkably complex, influenced by a multitude of factors that determine its effectiveness. Understanding these intricacies not only sheds light on the immune system's remarkable capabilities, but also underscores the importance of supporting it through lifestyle choices and medical interventions. Immunosurveillance is the immune system's vigilant process of continuously monitoring the body's cells to identify and eliminate those that have become abnormal or mutated, such as cancer cells. This surveillance is carried out by a variety of immune cells, each playing a unique role in this sophisticated defense network. Among the most potent agents in this defense are cytotoxic T cells. These specialized white blood cells are designed to recognize specific antigens, protein markers on the surface of cells that indicate abnormality. When T cells encounter a cell displaying these abnormal antigens, they don't hesitate to attack. Upon recognition, cytotoxic T cells release perforins and granzymes, molecules that puncture the target cell's membrane and initiate a series of reactions leading to the cell's death, a process known as apoptosis. This ability to directly engage and destroy cancer cells is a critical function of the immune system. However, it's not always foolproof. Cancer cells are notorious for their ability to adapt and evolve, sometimes altering their antigens to escape recognition by T cells. This cat-and-mouse game between the immune system and cancer cells is a central challenge in oncology. While T cells are highly effective, they require prior exposure to an antigen to mount a strong response. This is where natural killer, NK, cells come in. As part of the innate immune system, NK cells do not need prior sensitization to detect and kill cancer cells. They are the immune system's rapid responders, particularly effective in the early stages of cancer development. NK cells operate by recognizing stressed cells in the body, such as those infected by viruses or undergoing transformation into cancer cells. They use a different mechanism than T cells, often targeting cells that lack normal markers of self due to the downregulation of major histocompatibility complex, MHC, molecules, an evasion tactic used by some cancer cells. Once they identify a target, NK cells release cytotoxic granules that directly induce apoptosis in the cancer cell. This ability to act swiftly and independently of previous exposure makes NK cells a crucial component of the immune system's anti-cancer arsenal. However, like T cells, NK cells can be thwarted by the evolving strategies of cancer cells, which sometimes develop ways to inhibit NK cell activity or shield themselves from detection. Not all immune cells operate from a distance. Some, known as tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, TILs, go directly into the tumor microenvironment to engage with cancer cells. These cells, which include both T cells and NK cells, are often found within tumors and are considered a positive prognostic marker in many cancers. Their presence suggests that the immune system is actively working to combat the tumor. The effectiveness of TILs in fighting cancer has made them a focal point of cancer research. Studies have shown that tumors with a high density of TILs are more likely to respond to immunotherapies, treatments that enhance the body's immune response against cancer. This has led to the development of therapies aimed at boosting the activity of TILs within tumors, improving the body's natural ability to fight cancer. Despite the immune system's capabilities, cancer cells are adept at evading detection. This phenomenon, known as immune evasion, is one of the most significant challenges in cancer treatment. Cancer cells can employ several strategies to escape the immune system, including altering their surface antigens, creating an immunosuppressive environment, and inducing regulatory T cells that dampen the immune response. One of the primary ways cancer cells avoid immune detection is by modulating their antigens. This can involve downregulating or mutating the proteins that T cells and NK cells use to identify them as threats. Without these markers, the immune cells may fail to recognize the cancer cells as abnormal, allowing them to proliferate unchecked. Cancer cells can also manipulate the tumor microenvironment to suppress immune activity. They do this by secreting factors that inhibit the activity of T cells and NK cells, or by recruiting other cells that promote immune tolerance, such as myeloid-derived suppressor cells, MDSCs, and regulatory T cells, TREGs. These cells can create a protective barrier around the tumor, effectively shielding it from the immune system's attacks. Another evasion tactic involves the use of checkpoint proteins, such as PD-L1, which are expressed on the surface of cancer cells. When these proteins interact with receptors on T cells, like PD-1, they send a signal that inhibits the T cell's activity, effectively turning off the immune response. This has led to the development of checkpoint inhibitors, a class of immunotherapy drugs that block these interactions, allowing T cells to continue their attack on cancer cells. The effectiveness of immunosurveillance in detecting and eliminating cancer cells is not uniform across all individuals. It is influenced by a variety of factors, ranging from genetic predispositions to lifestyle choices and environmental exposures. A robust immune system is better equipped to recognize and eliminate cancerous cells. Lifestyle factors such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management play critical roles in maintaining immune health. Nutritional intake has a profound impact on immune function. Diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support immune health. For instance, vitamin C and E are known for their role in enhancing immune cell function, while selenium and zinc are critical for maintaining the integrity of the immune system. Conversely, diets high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to chronic inflammation, which has been linked to a suppressed immune response and an increased risk of cancer. Maintaining a balanced diet that supports immune health is therefore essential for effective cancer prevention. Regular physical activity is another key component of a healthy immune system. Exercise has been shown to improve circulation, which helps immune cells move more efficiently throughout the body. It also reduces inflammation and supports the regulation of immune function. However, it's important to note that excessive exercise without adequate recovery can have the opposite effect, potentially leading to immune suppression. Adequate sleep is vital for maintaining immune health. During sleep, the body undergoes critical processes that help repair cells and regulate immune function. Chronic sleep deprivation can weaken the immune response, making the body more susceptible to infections and possibly reducing its ability to fight off cancer cells. Genetics play a significant role in the immune system's ability to combat cancer. Some individuals inherit genetic variations that enhance their immune response, while others may have variations that predispose them to a weaker response, making them more susceptible to cancer development. For example, mutations in genes like BRCA1 and BRCA2, which are involved in DNA repair, can increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as breast and ovarian cancer. Moreover, the major histocompatibility complex, MHC, a group of genes that play a crucial role in immune recognition, can vary significantly between individuals. Variations in MHC genes can affect how well the immune system recognizes and responds to cancer cells, influencing an individual's susceptibility to cancer. As we age, the efficiency of the immune system declines, a process known as immunosenescence. This decline affects both the innate and adaptive immune systems, leading to a reduced ability to detect and destroy cancer cells. This partly explains why the incidence of cancer increases with age. Older adults are also more likely to experience chronic inflammation, known as inflammaging, which can further impair immune function and promote cancer development. Exposure to environmental toxins, carcinogens, and infectious agents can significantly impact the immune system's ability to respond to cancer. For instance, smoking introduces a host of carcinogens that can damage DNA and suppress immune function, increasing the risk of lung cancer. Similarly, prolonged exposure to ultraviolet, UV radiation from the sun can lead to skin damage and suppress local immune responses, facilitating the development of skin cancers. Infectious agents, such as certain viruses and bacteria, can also contribute to cancer risk. Human papillomavirus, HPV, for example, is a known cause of cervical cancer, while chronic infection with Helicobacter pylori is linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. These pathogens can create a chronic inflammatory environment that promotes cancer development and suppresses the immune system's ability to fight it. Given the immune system's crucial role in cancer prevention and treatment, Enhancing its ability to detect and eliminate cancer cells is a major focus of medical research. Immunotherapies, which aim to boost the immune system's natural defenses, are a promising frontier in oncology. Checkpoint inhibitors are one of the most well-known forms of immunotherapy. These drugs work by blocking the checkpoint proteins that cancer cells use to turn off T cells, effectively reactivating the immune response against cancer. Drugs like pembrolizumab, Keytruda, and nivolumab, Opdivo, have shown significant success in treating various types of cancer, including melanoma and non-small cell lung cancer. Another innovative approach is CAR T-cell therapy, which involves genetically modifying a patient's T cells to better recognize and attack cancer cells. This therapy has shown remarkable success in treating certain blood cancers, such as acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Cancer vaccines are also being developed to stimulate the immune system to target specific cancer cells. Unlike traditional vaccines, which prevent disease, cancer vaccines are designed to treat existing cancers by boosting the immune system's response. For example, the FDA-approved HPV vaccine not only prevents cervical cancer but also shows promise in treating existing HPV-related cancers. In addition to medical interventions, lifestyle choices play a crucial role in supporting the immune system's ability to fight cancer. Regular exercise, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, adequate hydration, and sufficient sleep are simple yet powerful tools in maintaining a healthy immune system. Stress management is also critical, as chronic stress can lead to immune suppression. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress levels and support immune health. The immune system's role in cancer prevention and treatment is a dynamic and complex process, one that involves a delicate balance between recognizing and eliminating cancer cells and avoiding immune suppression. While factors like genetics and age are beyond our control, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and staying informed about advances in immunotherapy can significantly impact our ability to prevent and combat cancer. As research continues to unveil the intricacies of the immune system, there is hope that we can better harness its power to protect against one of humanity's most formidable adversaries, cancer. Regular medical checkups, early detection, and personalized treatment strategies remain critical components in the ongoing effort to stay ahead in this life-and-death struggle. The future of cancer treatment lies in a deeper understanding of the immune system and the development of therapies that enhance its natural ability to fight off disease. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this deep dive into the immune system and its role in fighting cancer informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.